This is the set of speakers that I purchased from Crutchfield to change out the 9 speakers in the 2017 Mustang. For $5, they sold me just a little bit of a kit here with some extra parts and connectors just in case I need it. I'm not sure I actually will. I've got 2 power base sets. These are essentially the same speaker, except this is a component system, which should have a separate, yeah, there you go, separate tweeters and 6.5-inch woofers. And whereas this is a 2-way system with the tweeter built in the middle. So these will go in the rear of the car in the sides, and this will go up front in the doors with the 6.5s, and then the tweeters in the pillars. For the mid-ranges, I bought Kenwood Excelon 3.5-inch speakers. One of these will go into the dashboard in the middle, and the other 2 will go into the doors up front, and there'll be 1 speaker, of course, left over.